Hey guys, welcome back to ROBOSTOUT. My name is Darren, and I've got a special item that we're going to talk about today. This is something I was on a waiting list, and it finally came true a couple weeks ago. It got sent to me from Amazon. This is the Echo Loop. And what is in this little box? This little ring right here. That's right, this is the Echo Loop. We're going to talk a little bit about it. I'm going to unbox it so you can see what comes inside, and I'll tell you about some of the cool features that this goes. Roll the intro. Okay, so how this works here, first and foremost, they're gonna send you out a box just like this prior to your order. And again, this is by invitation only currently right now, and this is phase one. So my invitation took place, and I was able to order out the fit kit here. And it gives you 4 different sizes to try out. Pop it on, make sure it feels good, wear it for about a day is what they tell you to do. You know, because your finger size changes every once in a while throughout the day. You want to make sure that you can take this on and off just fine and dandy. So I have picked the XL size, which is the one right here. Again, there's 4 different sizes to everything, so pretty simple to use. After you get that kit, you go back online, you click on the button, go order which size that you want. Again, XL is what I ordered, and just in a few days later, we go ahead and we got our box here. Yeah, so the ring itself right here. So let's go ahead and do a unboxing right now. Pretty basic box on there, and there you go, there's the ring itself. The ring itself is titanium outside with a steel body inside there. So it's actually very light to itself too. Pieces that you get with it too is the charging pad. And it looks like its inside is also magnetized there, so when you do go ahead and charge it, you just put it on here and it will magnetize. And this one is a micro USB cable, pretty simple to use. So this is kind of what you get in the box there. Pretty simple. Next step, after you get this charged, you want to make sure you charge it for about a day. You know, make sure you get a good charge on there, and then also make sure you download the Alexa app on your iOS, Android device, whatever you have. Make sure you're the latest on there, and then connect it. And from that point, then you're good to go on there. So let's go ahead and swing back over, and we'll talk a little bit more about functionality of the ring. So it's a pretty cool little ring here. When you get it sized, like I showed you in the little box there, you get the right size here. Make sure that you have it on the finger that is going to be easiest to hit that one button here, right? We have a one little button here. This is what controls everything on here. You do have a microphone and speaker, both sides here, so you can do all that. In order to use the Alexa side, since you hit the button, you don't have to say, hey, Alexa, or Alexa, or anything like that. So you just hit the button once like this to take you to Alexa. Play music.
Here's a station you might like. Sublime on Amazon Music.
Now, you could obviously hold this up to your ear like this if you want to hear it. Not really here meant to be a speaker or anything like that. It really is more for having a quick conversation, maybe giving some notes, clicking the button going, hey, add this to my list, those little things. It's very simple. So there's a lot of opportunity with this ring here. Again, you want to make sure you're able to hit the button with your thumb or however way you want to do this. But there is tons of different opportunities here that I think are going to be really great. This is still kind of in a first generation type of piece right now. But you could do a couple of different things on here. You can hit the button. You don't have to say Alexa or anything like that. As soon as you hit the button, you're good to go. What you do is you can say, hey, you know, make a list. I'm going to the store. You know, what's the nearest store to you? It uses the Alexa that direction too. Now, a really cool thing for people like me who have Apple products, if I hold down the button for a couple seconds here, then I can actually bring up Siri and go, hey Siri, play music off my library, or however way I want to do it. So I have that opportunity on there. Now, I have used this to make a phone call. It's kind of weird. You know, I did it out in public and I'm like, hey, how's it going? I'm just talking to my son. We were just playing around on it, and you can actually hear it pretty well through here on the conversation side. So again, it's a little weird, but you do have to kind of hold your hand up here. Now, if you're somebody that's like, hey, I like to talk a lot, but nobody notice it, you can just kind of, you know, rest your hand up here, have a conversation, listen to what you're doing out there. Now this retails for $129 itself. Again, currently right now the Ring is not out for order for anybody. It's the first generation, so we're going through basically the trials and stuff going through that. This lasted probably about a full day on charge, playing around with it. Again, when you're using a new toy like this, you're usually trying to play with it as much as possible, hit the buttons, talk through it, play some music and things like that. So it lasted me about a day, put it back on the charger for the night, and I was good to go the next morning. It's, again, from my point of view, I think there's a huge opportunity here. I think I would love to see something that had a better speaker built into it. I realized that we are going super, super small in a Ring, but a little bit better speaker just for fun. Tons of different things. I like to see this be able to do different things. I like my watch, my Apple Watch, which I'm not wearing right now, but have a lot of the same features that are into the Ring there itself. And I wouldn't be unhappy if there's like a little LCD screen at top. Again, these are some wish lists. It might be some tall orders. I'm not a person to make this, but I definitely see a lot of opportunity here. So again, if you want to get an invitation to order one of these up, again, $129.99 is what they sell for. You got to go through the invite process. This is the first generation. Try it out. I'll put the link down below. Like always, if you like this content, please subscribe. Check out some of these videos I have for you guys, and stay tuned. I'll be bringing back some more videos. And again, it's pretty cool. Alexa, play some music. Outro.